Namaskar and my regards to all of you. This is Dr. Piyush from Anthropological Survey of India, Government of India. Presently I am heading the Sub-Regional Center Anthropological Survey of India, Chhattisgarh, stationed at Jagdalpur. So today I am here to invite all of you to the webinar from 2nd December to 6th January 2021. So in this webinar we are talking about the denotified nomadic and semi-nomadic communities of India. This is a joint venture, Anthropological Survey of India, collaboration with Ministry of Social Justice and Niti Aayog. In this project, Anthropological Survey of India is working hard. So many anthropologists are working in the ground level and collecting information from the communities. Many communities, those who comes under denotified, nomadic and semi-nomadic communities, we were working. According to the report of Honorable Chairman Idateji and Renkeji, the final report they have submitted, and according to their report, 265 communities are there still unidentified. So the anthropologists from Anthropological Survey of India working hard to identify these communities in all over India. So it is a beautiful work. You can find anthropologists are working very hard and preparing an ethnographic profile of these communities and the present socio-economic scenario of these communities. So you all are most welcome to this webinar, and specifically I would like to request all the students and scholars, you may learn a lot of things from this webinar. So you all are the backbone of this country. So most welcome to this webinar. Yesterday, that is 21st December 2020, we have discussed two communities in this webinar. So the first community was Barbad, which was discussed by Dr. Sumitabh Chakravarti, Senior Research Associate from Anthropological Survey of India, Eastern Regional Center, Kolkata. This community was from Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and another community was discussed by Dr. Raj Kumar from Northwest Regional Center, Dehradun. So this community was from Himachal Pradesh. So very nicely they have discussed the communities. So many scholars, different parts of this country have participated in this webinar. So tomorrow, that is 23rd December 2020, two communities will be discussed in this webinar. So the first community is Kahar. Kahar community from Dadra and Nagar Haveli will be discussed by Sri Anupam Datta, Senior Research Associate from Anthropological Survey of India, Eastern Regional Center, Kolkata. And Dodhia will be discussed by Dr. Sheila Das Gupta. She is Senior Research Associate from Anthropological Survey of India, Central Regional Center, Nagpur. So you are welcome. They have very good messages for you. Let us have a look to the message.
This is Anupam Datta from Anthropological Survey of India, Eastern Regional Center. Tomorrow on 23rd of December this year, I am going to speak on Kahar communities of Dadra Nagar Haveli Union Territory. Please be with me. Thank you.
On the behalf of Anthropological Survey of India Sub-Regional Center, Chhattisgarh, Jagdalpur, on the behalf of the speakers, on the behalf of Honorable Director, Anthropological Survey of India, Professor Binay Kumar Srivastava, I would like to invite all of you to be the part of this webinar. This is my humble request to all of you. Join with us tomorrow, that is 23rd December 2020, sharp 6 p.m. in this webinar. So together we will learn and together we will make this nation vibrant. Namaskar, Jai Hind.